Hello you guys, this is another Lishi video. This time we're going to do the NSN14, which is a super common Lishi on most modern days Nissan's vehicles. So on this Lishi we're going to need to do it clockwise. Some of the locks, they just don't bind so good when you do it the other way. So we're just going to put it clockwise and we're just going to go space by space. And we're going to see what does it give us. So again, if I'm laying the Lishi just is the most gentle way you possibly can, and you're going to see that the Lishi does not spring, you're going to pick it. So now we're going to go to the next space, which is 4. As you can see, I'm just laying it gentle and it's springy, so we're letting it go. Number 5 also has a small springing to it, so we're just going to let it go. And we're going to keep to number 6. So number 6 we picked, and now it's springy, so it's good. Number 7 is not springy, so we're gonna pick it. Number 8 is also not springy, so we're gonna pick it. Number 9 also is not springy at all, so we're just gonna pick it. And number 10 is not springy, so we're just gonna pick it, and we felt a little tension going on. Sometimes to go back, you're just gonna need to release the tension a little bit so you can move backwards again. So now we're going to go about again from 3 to 10. So number 3, and when we pick it up, it does not spring, so we're just going to pick it. 4 is springy, so we're going to let it go. 5, kind of springy. We're going to let it go. And then 6, we picked. And as you can see, we got to turn it to open or locked. So now we're going to be able to read it. So we're going to go about all the spaces and we're going to just read them. So in the same directions that we picked it. So if we picked to the numbered side, so we're just going to read it the same way. So space number 3 will be 3. As you can see, it stops at 3. 4 is 4. 5 is 4 as well. 6 will be 3. 7 will be 2. 8 will be 3. 9 will be 2. And 10 will be 2 as well. Okay, so after we got the numbers of the spaces from 2 to 10, you can just put 2 question marks. But anyways, we're going to go to the X source. And then you can just go to the right blank, the right spot, but we're just going to go to all database, Nissan. And then we can just choose the NSN14 with the 10 biddings. And we're just going to put 2 question marks. 344 32322. So after we got that, we can just press find bidding, and as you can see, you got the 4 options, so you know that that exists. There is no need to cut each and every one of them, but anyway, because the door only have 8 spaces and the other 2 is not really being used, so this is how you're going to do that. So with that being said, you can cut whatever you want. After we cut, this is going to be the key, and it all works perfect. So this is how you do the Lishi for the Nissan vehicle. Thank you guys for watching.